Hello there! Today we are going to make a beautiful flower which is the lotus. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Well, yes, we have 3 steps right here to reach to a beautiful lotus. So let's start with the first step. At first, we are going to make 2 dots and then a very big drop. Something like this. This is going to be the center petal of our lotus. After which, we are going to make 2 curves connecting at the center point in the bottom. And then the third one. Similarly, we are going to repeat on the left side as well. Did you know that lotus is the national flower of India? That's amazing. Once we are done with these curves, we are going to make the stem and the petal. The next step which we have to do is make these curves like this. This looks so pretty. Lovely. Now we will make the stem and then the leaf. For the leaf, we are going to make an oval shape. If you notice, the leaf is also overlapped by the stem and hence it looks half when it's behind the stem. Continue making the design inside and then start sketching, for which we are going to take a black colored sketch pen. We are going to sketch this right on top of the pencil marks. Also, try and sketch like how you've made it with the pencil. Go right on top of the pencil marks and complete the lotus. This looks beautiful. Let's complete the entire flower in a similar way. Make this beautiful petal and complete the entire sketching. Lovely. We are going to take our eraser and start erasing. This looks great. Now comes my favorite part, which is coloring. So let's take our color and start coloring. We are going to shade this a little. Can you tell me which color did we take first? Yes, this is a maroon color. At first, we are going to press this color at the borderline and then start releasing the pressure slowly in order to get a darker to a lighter tone. Are you following me? That's lovely. We are going to now make this darker first and then lighter. We will follow the same steps and complete all the petals with maroon color first. We are doing the outline only on one side, as we have to shade this from a darker color to a lighter color. Complete doing the petals similarly. After which, we are going to take pink color and start coloring on the lighter portion of maroon to the part where the paper is white. And look how beautifully the colors have blended. For this, we have taken oil pastel crayons. Wax crayons may not blend in a similar way. Hence, we are going to take oil pastel crayons. Here, we took the lightest pink we had and made a border line and then continued coloring with the medium pink. This has given us such a beautiful effect. Continue coloring from the darker tone to the lighter tone. Let's take white color and do the other side of the border. Do the outline properly. Let's finish all the petals in a similar way. Keep your book however you're comfortable and complete all the petals. This is such an interesting activity, isn't it? Well, I'm enjoying too. We will keep the extreme tip of all the petals white, as that is where the light is falling. This looks lovely, isn't it? Well, now we need to change our color to green and do the stem as well as the leaf. Can we do this together? Well, then let's grab our light green color and do the stem at first. After this, we are going to take the next green, which is a little darker, and do the leaf. Yes, we will do the outline first and then color inside. This looks brilliant.